What did you think personally when you look at yourself and your work?
I think I did great. I really feel because I gave my 100%.
Not okay, not fine.
No, not
I
only,
did.
not only that.
Superb, great.
The best part of yoga is it heals you from internally.
मेंटल हेल्थ जब अफेक्ट होती है तो वो हर एरिया में फैल जाती है आपकी लाइफ के एंड वो हमेशा से इतना पहले टैबू रहा करता था कि nobody would talk
Talk about it, yes.
Today I tell openly, I'm like, I have a therapist who I speak to.
I had a miscarriage
Okay.
just few months back and I was completely shattered. I was not feeling like talking to anybody. I was just home. That time this thing came in my mind that I am a yoga teacher. I am healing people. Why can't I heal myself?
लोगों को लगता है कि like I might be doing this, that, diet. ऐसा नहीं है. I eat everything.
Okay.
But मेरा ये है कि मुझे मीठा पसंद नहीं है.
नहीं है. You're so lucky, यार. क्या यार? There's usually people talk about, all teachers and principals used to tell us about plan B. Arey, you need something to fall back upon. In fact, I tell everybody, just have a plan A and give you 100% to that plan. Welcome to Unstoppable, the beacon of resilience and triumph, fueled by the indomitable spirit of Right Bite Max Protein. I'm your host, Rohit Bose Roy, and today, ladies and gentlemen, we embark on an extraordinary voyage alongside three exceptional individuals who embody the essence of unstoppable determination and boundless potential. First in our lineup is a dear friend, Ridhima Pandit, a shining star born amidst the bustling streets of Mumbai, Maharashtra. From her humble beginnings, Ridhima's journey has taken her across realms of modeling, television and cinema, leaving an indelible mark at every turn. With a career spanning iconic roles in shows like Bahu Hamari Rajnikant to fearless ventures into reality TV on platforms like Big Boss OTT, Ridhima's meteoric rise is a testament to her unwavering passion and, of course, unparalleled talent. Next, we have the gorgeous Muna Gauchan, a Nepalese model, actor and beauty queen. She first conquered MTV's Supermodel of the Year in Kathmandu and now is making waves in India's entertainment scene. She's a constant fixture in commercials and music videos, and her devotion to fitness shines alongside a magnetic charm. And finally, it's my pleasure to welcome Rashi Chauhan, a beacon of holistic wellness and inspiration for countless souls across the globe. As a renowned nutritionist, yoga trainer and fitness influencer with a client roster boasting names like Divyanka Tripathi Dahiya, Robina Dilek, Abhinav Shukla, etc., Rashi's dedication to empowering others is as boundless as her love for spreading the gospel of wellness. She's going to have one more on her roster very soon. Welcome to the show. Welcome. पंडित जी कैसी हैं आप?
Thank you for having
Muna, welcome to India.
Thank you.
राशि बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
Thank you.
तो शुरू करने से पहले let me ask all of you one question which is going to be very very unique to you. रिधिमा आपसे शुरू करते हैं. वैसे तो we've known each other for a while, but what I don't know is your early life. How you started? Why did you want to become a model and then eventually an actor? How was your early youth like?
Well, जैसे आप जानते हैं रोहित, मैं हूँ तो पली बड़ी तो मुंबई में ही हूँ
जी.
और हमारे पूरे फैमिली में किसी का दूर दूर तक एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री से लेना देना ही नहीं है. और मैं जब से छोटी थी मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता था कि मुझे एक एक्टर बनना है.
अच्छा.
अदाकारा. मुझे
You're very clear. You're very clear from the
very
beginning.
clear. But you know, determined होना एक चीज है, but how to find your way.
Yeah, and those days were tough. Now you have casting agents, etc. Those days when you
Those
started.
days, you know, and especially if you're new, you don't know who to trust, how to go about it.
Of course, yes.
So you fall, you tumble, you learn. And I remember that this was technically not considered a profession only in my family.
Right.
Firstly, to
course.
convince them that I want to take this up full time. You know, I had a very stable job in the form of an artist manager before I became an actor.
Oh, you
myself.
were. So let me tell you, people who don't know, she has a sister who is an artist manager herself. Oh, I didn't know you used to do that as well.
Yes.
Wow.
So in fact, she manages the artist who she is managing was my artist.
Acha.
And then when I quit is when you know, she stepped in, and it's.
So you've gone through the grind.
Yes, I've been behind the camera to be in front of the camera, and I personally feel that has helped me all the more.
Okay.
Because मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या नहीं
So आप
करना है.
tantrums नहीं throw करती हैं as an actor. Very good, very
बिल्कुल
good.
भी नहीं. So मुझे याद है जब वो स्टेबल जॉब मुझे छोड़ने का कहा जाता था कि अगर आपको एक्टिंग में फोकस करना है तो यू कैन डू इट फुल टाइम, बिकॉज आधा पैर यहाँ आधा पैर वहाँ
No,
आगे नहीं बढ़
it doesn't work. In any profession, it doesn't work. So you had, I won't use the word struggle, but you had a few years of, what should I say, trials.
a little lost, yeah, for sure. But I am very happy कि मैं अपने gut instinct को trust करते करते आज जहाँ हूँ वहाँ पहुँची हूँ. And I have miles to go, but
Of course, we all do.
I feel very, very happy when I look back to see.
So was it a conscious decision for you to get into artist management and then take the next step to becoming an
Never,
artist? No,
not
it's
at
just
all.
thought.
There's no connect whatsoever.
connect.
As much as you think that okay, nobody helps you, honestly.
Oh, yeah, nobody does.
I don't need to tell you this.
I know
it
nobody
better.
does. Nobody does.
कोई आपके लिए रुका नहीं है यहाँ पर गुलदस्तों के
किसी के
साथ.
पास टाइम ही नहीं है.
किसी के पास नहीं, अपना
And
रास्ता
I
खुद
don't really hold that against anybody because everybody is जद्दोजहद सभी की चलती रहती है. It's a constant struggle for everybody, even if they are in a position to help you, they're first looking at helping themselves.
True.
Which is fine. Muna, coming to you, pretty girl from Kathmandu to India.
Yes.
How's that journey been? Tell us a little more about your beginnings.
So I started modeling when I was 16.
Ah,
So bachpan se, you know, I used to love being in front of camera.
okay.
So I, by nature wise, I'm a very shy person, but in front of camera, I feel like I can do anything. I can be anything. I just feel so free. So
You can play whatever you want to.
हाँ, और मुझे पता था तो कुछ ना कुछ करूँगी.
In the
And I
entertainment
model,
business.
yeah. और when I was 16, I started modeling. I was always good at my studies, so
Medical student
हाँ.
से model कैसे बन गई हैं?
हाँ, like I was really good at my studies. मैं बहुत मेहनती, hard work.
सब करते हैं.
हाँ, hard working girl.
कब ये पता चला कि मैं बला की खूबसूरत हूँ?
नहीं
कि मैं सड़कों पे चलूंगी तो दिल टूटते रहे.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा तो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं.
कभी नहीं सोचा?
But,
I how so humble यार.
but हाँ, like I was good at my studies and my parents they wanted me to be a
Of course,
doctor.
like every other
So
parent,
like
you
yeah, I
can't
was
blame
good
them.
at my studies, so चल रहा था, modeling और acting भी चल रहा था, and then I realized कि I have to choose one क्योंकि दोनों side में
Again, like she
नहीं हो
said, you
सकता.
can't have two, both your
yeah,
feet in
yeah,
different
yeah,
boats.
yeah. Like you can't give your 100%.
Was it a tough choice to pick entertainment, which is such a volatile business, and there's too many uncertainties? Wherein a medical, my God, that degree would have just made life stable.
Would have, but then I was really not happy.
Right.
Yeah,
you
and
followed
I
your
decided-
passion.
Yeah, I felt like I should do what really makes me happy. And then my parents, they were very supportive. They told me, like, ठीक है ना, it's fine. Like,
Yeah.
क्या है, you just need
As
to
long
follow
as you
your
have a
dreams.
supportive family.
You should be happy.
Yeah.
So I was like, ठीक है. And then I took 2-3 months more. And second year में मैंने drop कर दिया. And then I just came to Mumbai.
And then you moved to Mumbai.
हाँ, and then lockdown started.
And did you have any? Oh, then lockdown
Yeah.
happened. Oh, wow. So wow, that's a huge thing. The moment
Yeah.
you came here, and instead of getting a lot of work, you faced
Yeah, like
the most uncertain period of the world, I think.
Yeah.
Wow, we'll
But
come
it
back
was
to that,
lovely
hold that thought, because that struggles are what we talk about here also, and how to overcome those struggles. I have a similar story when I was also not doing medical science, but my MBA, and I became an actor. Rashi, so happy to have you on the show. I've been trying to call you for the longest time for a yoga session. अब वो नहीं हुआ तो आप हमारे show पे आ गए. Tell us about your early beginnings, your fascination with yoga. Did you always want to do yoga, to practice yoga as a teacher and a guru, or did you start it for yourself?
Honestly, no. Actually, I was into acting before.
1 second, what's going on in my show today? You're into acting. I didn't know
I
that.
was into acting, so my father is a director. So my
उनका नाम
father,
क्या है?
Abhishek Bindal.
Okay.
So my father was working in South for a long period. He was assisting there as an assistant director.
Uh-huh.
Then he did a film here also, film called Mainu Ek Ladki Chahiye.
Okay.
So I also assisted him in that film, and
Oh.
as well as I acted also. So
And so
acting
you
and
also
direction.
wanted to become an actor from a young age? You had that thought?
Since childhood, I was a very sporty person. I used to always love all the sports and dancing and everything. So after completing my college, I started assisting my papa, my dad. But honestly, acting, like it's not always you will be busy. एक अच्छा project and then you have to wait and sit for the next good project.
Patience is the biggest.
Patience, yes. And I am such a person who loves to be busy.
अच्छा क्या योगा में busy?
हाँ?
यहाँ तो यहाँ इंतजार ज्यादा होता है. काम कम होता है, इंतजार ज्यादा होता है.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे कुछ और करना चाहिए. So पहले मैं जिमिंग बहुत ज़्यादा करती थी. जिम में हमारे फिटनेस फर्स्ट में एक योगा क्लास भी होती थी. I always used to see from outside योगा चल रहा है भाई, योगा बहुत स्लो होता है, आई डोंट वांट टू गो इनटू इट. And I never wanted to go into yoga.
Wow.
Honestly. Then one fine day I was like, यार बहुत टाइम से जिमिंग चल रहा है, I want to change it a bit. I want to see some different fitness.
स्टैग्नेशन आ जाती है सेम चीज का.
So मुझे लगा कुछ और करके देखते हैं. So I went for a hot yoga class where I just took one session, and the guru over there, he said your postures and your alignments are really very nice. Why don't
Are really
you,
nice,
Yeah.
okay.
Why don't you opt for yoga teacher training? So I said, sir, no.
Randomly out of the blue.
Out of the blue.
Wow.
Out of the blue. He was like, why don't you opt for teacher training? I said, sir, I just came here to take one session. That's it. And if I like it, I'll continue. Otherwise, I'm not very much into it. So like, you just take the session. I will give you teacher training. You come for the practice. And he started giving me the more detailed form of asanas ka practice and pranayam and everything. And I don't know, that was the turn of my life. I went completely into yoga.
Do you think that was your true calling and you discovered
That
it
was
by
my
accident?
true calling, yes. That was my true calling, because now if somebody will ask me to change that, go back to acting or anything, I would say no.
Wow.
I love teaching and I get so much of happiness when I give result to my clients, my students. I really I'm
Fantastic.
very happy with that.
We're seeing in this very special episode, all of them have this one thing in common, that they followed their passion. You know, there's going to be a lot of struggles, a lot of trials, tribulations, a lot of failures in every profession, more so in our profession because it's very, A, it's volatile, and B, it's public. Every humiliation is public. Picture पिटती है तो पूरी दुनिया बोलती है अरे पिट गई picture. But please keep following your passion. Coming back to you, Rids. Obviously, you had a journey till you achieved success. We all do. What, according to you, was that transformative or that moment, that eureka moment when you became from an actor to a star? एक कोई मौका था या कोई शो था या कोई सीन था या कुछ ऐसा कुछ याद है ज़हन में?
बिल्कुल एकदम क्लियर मेमोरी, ऐसा लगता है ये सब कुछ बस कल ही हुआ है.
अच्छा.
एंड वो जो कैरेक्टर जिसके लिए मैं बहुत जानी जाती हूँ, विच इज द कैरेक्टर ऑफ रजनी फ्रॉम बहु माई रजनीकांत, वेयर आई प्लेड अ रोबोट. एंड मुझे याद है कि जब ये शो का मुझे कॉल आया था, सो आई रिमेंबर बीइंग ओके, या आई कैन डू इट, इट्स नो बिग डील, क्या है, एक रोबोट का ही तो ऑडिशन. एंड आई वेंट एंड आई जस्ट गेव इट. And all my confidence just went for a toss because I thought I did a very shit job.
Really?
Sorry.
No, this is a podcast. और कुछ बोलना है तो बोल दो. हाँ?
मुझे लगा मैंने बहुत ही खराब
This
किया.
is unstoppable and uncensored.
So I went and I auditioned for it, and I remember finally cracking the part. But what I didn't realize that the fame that it was going to follow and the love that was going to come through. I was just doing my job very sincerely, not thinking, वो कहते हैं ना कर्म कर हल्की चिंता मत कर. मैं सच में सोचे बिना वैसे ही चलती जा रही थी. And till the time suddenly people started recognizing me also. That was like a big turning point. Suddenly I had that extra confidence in me that I'm like, ooh, I'm famous. People do like me.
नहीं, famous तो आप पहले भी थी, लेकिन वो उससे वो फेम और बढ़ गया.
बहुत ज़्यादा. और सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी इस बात की हुई कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने वो जो जब विटनेस किया ना, तो उनके चेहरे पे जो खुशी.
हाँ, तो उससे ज़्यादा कोई खुशी की बात हो नहीं सकती जब आपके माता पिता देखते हैं. So that's the show that you think turned it around
changed
for you.
my life. That character, that show, everything. That time was magical for me.
Muna?
Yes.
Model, super model, glam girl. अब मैंने सुना है you're doing a play. You just dubbed it on theatre.
just did
And
a
you're
play.
training with Mukesh Chabra.
Yeah.
Please tell us about that, because lots of young budding actors who, like she said, in the earlier days, it was all very haphazard. You didn't know where to go, you didn't know where to get training from, who to expect anything from, all of that. You yourself are new here, fairly new, I must say. 2-3 साल तो आपके लॉकडाउन में चले गए. How was that experience with Mukesh's theatre group?
So yeah,
And why theatre? I mean, what was the concept? You wanted to become an actor? You want to do cinema? Or do you want to
obviously I want to be an actor. So I want to get into cinema. But before than that, I thought ki, like, theatre is something that will really help you to, bring out yourself. Kyunki wahan par you have to play. Like, you have to perform in front of so many
Right,
people.
right.
And
Inhibitions
then
बहुत
you
सारी.
can't take, like, shoot में क्या होता है, हम 2-3 बार टेक लेते, जो मन चाहे वो हिसाब से हम act करते, but in play like you can't do it again. You have to perform in one.
For sure,
take.
okay.
And then like मुझे ऐसा लगा कि like it would be quite challenging for me, and I could learn a lot of things from.
शुरू हो गए? Have you started that?
I did. I completed.
Oh, you
Last
completed
month ही हमारा play हुआ,
Okay.
and it was lovely experience. I was there for 2 months.
What do you think? Like she said, she was really shit in her audition. What did you think personally when you look at yourself and your work? Did you think you did well, or did you think that?
During the play,
Yeah.
I think I did great. I really feel because I gave my 100%.
Not okay, not fine.
No,
I
not
think I
only,
did.
not only that.
Superb,
like,
great.
I enjoyed the entire
Lovely.
performance.
Lovely.
So
And you enjoyed the
creative
experience?
moment. So, yes, I enjoyed the moment at the time. So it was lovely experience. और 2 month में I think मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा
थोड़ा
बहुत
बेहतर
सुधर
हो गया.
गया.
I can see that. There's a lot of change in your.
2 महीने में थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी सुधर गया, and then I got to learn.
मैंने इनके साथ एक एड फिल्म की.
Yeah, we did.
हाँ, that's how I know. एक एड फिल्म की हमने किसी उसके लिए भी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन एक हिंदी की लाइन थी, एक ही थी. और वो हिंदी साउंड कर रहा है कि ये बर्मीज में बोल कौन जा रहा है,
में बात
कौन
करें. हाँ.
But there's a lot of improvement. राशि, before we dive in, ये सब glam talk हो गया, आपने बता दिया कि आपको एक्टर बना था. Today you're a respected yoga guru, and you're also into nutrition and
Yes.
all sorts of wellness. So this episode we are going to focus on overall wellness. What are your thoughts on, like you yourself said, you got bored with working out, okay? I'll tell you a personal experience. I was in Kerala. I go for my Panchkarma every 6 months. So I'm in Kerala for 15 days at this wonderful resort called Carnoustie. And I realized that yoga in those 15 days helped me so much. I had a chronic back problem. I don't know whether I can say it was magically repaired, but I have no problem now. I have no mobility issues. योगा कितना श्रेय देना चाहिए हमें हमारे फिटनेस के हिसाब से?
मैं खुद पहले बहुत ज़्यादा जिम वर्कआउट पे बिलीव करती थी, वेट ट्रेनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग.
जैसा
और
आपने
जब
कहा.
से मैं इसमें आई हूँ, एंड ऑनेस्टली आई हैव गिवन चेंज टू पीपल. I have seen the changes in the people. I have many students who had this frozen shoulder,
I have a knee problem.
back problem,
Help me, yeah.
knee problem, and trust me, by the grace of God, they
all
have
gone.
all like recovered from it. So I have a 100% believe in yoga that you can achieve anything and everything with yoga. And I don't know, I just wanted to share this thing. Why do people like? There are many people who say yoga में क्या है? Yoga is just breathing, and they pronounce it also very wrong. Yoga में क्या होता है? वो कपाल भारती. Firstly, I tell them,
तो
please,
गड़बड़
it's
है
not
होगा.
Kapal Bharti, it is Kapal Bharti. Pronounce it properly.
मैं भी
And
कपाल
it's-
भारती बोलता था.
It's,
I stand
it's
corrected.
not Kapal Bharti, it's Kapal Bharti. Okay? And why are you judging the thing which you are not into? बाहर से
No,
रहते
we
आप-
don't. I'm not even looking at those kind of people who have no idea. And they
Yes,
talk about
and they are
yoga.
like कि नहीं योगा से ये नहीं हो सकता. पहले आप करके देखिए, पहले आप योगा में आइए, and then you will see the change in your body, and it's not external. The best part of yoga is it heals you from internally. So योगा आसनास तो बहुत बाद में आते हैं. पहले आप प्राणायाम और अपने चक्रास पे काम करिए. वो जब आप करने लगते हैं तब आपको एक्चुअल रिजल्ट दिखता है अपनी बॉडी का. बट पीपल जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ पिक्चर्स, वीडियो बनाना है तो सूर्य नमस्कार कर लिया. दैट्स नॉट एक्चुअली योगा.
That is Instagram yoga.
Yeah, that's Instagram yoga actually. वो योगा डे पे सारे लोग डाल रहे होते हैं योगा डे. अगले दिन किसी को पता नहीं कि योगा क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना.
नहीं, अच्छा, मान लीजिए it's someone like me who's obviously been into fitness all my life. Actually, after I became an actor, I genuinely felt a connect with yoga. So supposing somebody like me would come to you, you'd start me from the beginning, right?
Yes, from
the very beginning.
Yes. First and foremost, I will start with the breathing exercise.
Okay.
Nowadays, if you see, we don't breathe properly. Now, if I say कि हम जैसे normal inhale exhale करते हैं.
फिर मैंने चालू कर दिया.
Yes.
Deep breathing. चलो चांस मिला.
Yes.
Why fast?
Exactly that I wanted. Exactly that. Now what you did, breathe in and you
Breathe
sucked your belly in. No.
No.
When you breathe in, the stomach comes out.
Out there.
Yes. Yeah. So that is the actual
तो
breathing.
कैमरे पे नहीं कर सकता हूँ ना.
People. So people don't
ये सारे सब मेजर करके बैठना पड़ता है. ये सब poses हैं ऐसा सब कवर करने के लिए.
So people don't understand that. So मैं जब किसी की क्लास स्टार्ट करती हूँ, for that matter, you know, I teach Divyanka. So Divyanka has gone through many, like when she was in Khatron Ke Khiladi. So I trained her with the strength work.
Right.
When she was in a dance show.
So you do that specific thing?
Yes, when she was in a dance show, so I worked on her flexibilities. Then, you know, she had an injury, she got leg fracture. I was training her with the arm strength. I never let her sit down. Okay?
And now she's broken her arm.
And I'm teaching her with the leg exercises.
Yeah. She's very back.
All the lower body and pranayama and meditation. So one should never stop.
Divyanka and me are riding partners. by
I
the
know
way.
that. I know.
Yeah. She rides. She has a Royal Enfield, the big one, and Vivek and we do our morning
Yes,
rides.
I saw that.
Yeah, she loves
So everything is there in yoga. You just have to get into it. That's one step towards yoga. And you
Well, I
will
can
see
say
the
for a fact
changes.
that you've got one more client for sure, and I'm seriously going to start very soon.
Please do.
I know I've been trying to get into it, but somehow, पर वक्त तो निकालने से निकलता है.
Yes,
Mona, coming
exactly.
to you, love. This episode and this podcast is not only about any department of fitness or just nutrition fitness. It's about mental strength also. Now, someone like you who had to come from, or who wanted to come from a foreign land to a land like Mumbai, where there's constant struggle, constant tension, too much competition. Competition can be a good thing, but what keeps you going in terms of your mental strength? Because, you know, it's, and especially like you said, the moment you landed, there was lockdown. Yeah. That was crazy times for everybody. Yeah, bad luck. How do you cope with these kind of things?
So I was always a very spiritual person.
Oh, you were?
I started meditation since like I think 5 साल पहले से मैंने start किया जब मेरा medical चल रहा था.
Okay.
So like I do meditation. I'm into like I love nature. So ये सब मुझे I read energies. Like I'm into this. Okay, so I'm very sensitive.
Oh, you read energies?
Read as in like I'm very sensitive. Not like that.
Tell us that. Of course, everybody wants to know. Like, हमारी energy क्या है?
Very sensitive.
Please read our energy. No, why? Oh, it takes time.
Today you have to.
It's not like I read energy. I'm very sensitive. If you are radiating some energy to me, I can feel
that's
it.
what she means.
Oh.
Like,
What is the energy I'm radiating to you right now?
very happy. So Mumbai आने के बाद it was a little bit difficult for me because I didn't know anybody
जी.
or I didn't know how do I get started with my work. So काम भी उतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता
तो आप किसी को नहीं जानती थी यहाँ पे?
I didn't know anybody.
You just landed?
I just came. Like I joined.
I
one
envy
agency.
people like you.
No,
who you know, suddenly. Yeah.
I joined one agency. Like message में बात हुआ. I joined one agency and I just flew. And I didn't know anybody. And then 10-15 days रही. उसके बाद मैं वापस चली गई. उसके बाद 1 month के बाद I again came back and properly shifted. And then lockdown started. Yeah. So it was quite difficult for me, and especially.
How did you cope with it at that time? Meditation and spirituality? Or?
Yeah, meditation. Even I work out. I do yoga, but उतना.
Oh, you do yoga too?
Properly मुझे पता नहीं, but थोड़ा बहुत मैं कर लेती हूँ. हाँ. So workout.
एक और client आ रहा है आपके पास.
Yes. So workout is something that I really need because I feel like I have too much of energy, and then whenever I'm stressed out or I'm thinking too much, I really need to work out and release all the energy.
Are you an overthinker?
Oh, yes, I am. I think
See, I also
everybody
read
is.
energies.
So after workout,
तुम्हारे साथ तो ऐसी इतनी स्ट्रगल नहीं थी. तुम्हारा घर है, माशाल्लाह, माँ बाप
जी.
बम्बई में सब कुछ था, बेस था. ऑफ कोर्स हम्बल बिगिनिंग्स का कहने का मतलब है कि जहाँ आप है वहाँ तब नहीं थी.
Right.
इस जर्नी में मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ की कितनी जगह रही और कितना योगदान रहा आपको सही पथ पे रखने?
I think I have been the most tested since 2021, to tell you honestly. मतलब बहुत ही मुश्किल समय on रहा है, and I think around that time is when I had met you as well. And mental health जब affect होती है तो वो हर एरिया में फैल जाती है आपकी लाइफ के. And वो हमेशा से इतना पहले टैबू रहा करता था कि nobody would talk
about it. Yes.
Today I tell openly, I'm like, I have a therapist who I speak to.
Yeah.
I take a neutral opinion in
Right.
you know towards life. But yes, एक support system बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, और मेरे केस में वो है मेरे family और मेरे friends, and I'm very very blessed कि मैं same city में रहती हूँ. Hats off to everyone like Mona who's in this city जो उनके लिए घर नहीं है. मुझ में शायद इतने guts नहीं है कि मैं कहीं जाकर एक brand new शुरुआत करूँ. Of some
No, it's
place where I'm welcomed, yes, I'll go now. But I don't know if I wish to again start from that struggle point again. And you're aware I'd lost my mom in 2021, and then post that it was a downhill for me. and there was like severe weight gain because you're so depressed you don't want to get out of bed. And
Was that bad?
it was horrible. Like literally, it's true. When they say you cannot get out of bed, you cannot get out of bed.
How did you get out of it, if you want to talk about it? So since you are talking about it.
Time. And you know what? There's one very beautiful thing I read. It said, "जो grief होता है ना, it never goes away. You grow around it. You heal around it.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Like it's there. That pain is never going, but it's still big. But I'm bigger than that today. I have
I'm glad.
grown around it. It took me a lot of time, but I can look back and say, today I say my mother has been my source of joy, not suffering for me to think of her and cry. So I'm getting stronger with time. Like,
Rashi, because you are into yoga and you're a teacher, do you think with yoga you can also help people mentally?
Yes, 100%. So honestly, I would like to share one thing about my personal experience here. I had a miscarriage
Okay.
just few months back, and I was completely shattered, and I stopped my yoga practice.
sorry to hear that.
And I was not doing anything. I was not feeling like talking to anybody. I was just home, and that time this thing came in my mind. Ke I am a yoga teacher. I am healing people. Why can't I heal myself? Why can't I fight with my mental health? So there is where I started talking to myself. I started with my pranayama. I started with my asanas and meditation because I wanted to get back into it. I knew my students were waiting for me. And there are few student of mine who have this anxiety problem.
Oh.
So I know if I am not there, they'll be like, they'll suffer more. So when I do this, I know yoga helps you 100% with your mental health, with the meditation. And I can challenge you for that. Okay, if you someday, if you feel like, I'm mentally disturbed, I cannot do anything, you just have to give yourself 15-20 minutes for meditation, and you will bounce back with the energy. You will be like, oh, मुझे तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. I am 100% high on energy. So that energy you get from yoga.
From yoga.
That is why I say yoga helps you internally, externally,
I'm so,
mentally, physically.
this personal thing, since you're talking about a personal thing, I'm so blessed. Whatever path my life or my career has taken, touch wood, till date, that's why I don't use that word, depression. It's a mental makeup. What you've gone through, I can't even think of how I would cope with it because I've never felt anything like that. I've gone through major lows. Like, my films, back-to-back films haven't worked. But not for once did I feel, oh God, ye kya hoga? So when I hear this story, it's just really gut-wrenching for me, because it's easy to kind of sit on a chat, but to get into your shoes and to live those 3 years or yours can be, my best wishes with you. I'm sure you've healed yourself because your face is glowing and yoga is helping you. You and me have one thing in common.
what is that?
We're both so good looking.
Of course.
Jokes aside, we have another thing in common.
It's not a joke. It's
No, it's not a joke. There's another one. Another one common thing is that Khatron Ke Khiladi.
Oh, what a time.
What a time. So I went in a different season. You went in a different season. I enjoyed myself. Did you?
No, I did not. I was very cautious. But then वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा वो भी होता है ना, luck factor भी होता है. गिर गए out हो गए था.
तो पहले ही वाले में ऐसा हैमस्ट्रिंग फटा है हमारा. ऐसा जोर से हैमस्ट्रिंग फटा है, सीधा grade 3 टायर हो गया. तो that requires a lot of mental strength
Most
and
important.
physical strength. How was your experience? I want to know about that.
Order अगर आप पूछो तो पहले mental strength.
Mental
It's a
strength.
mental game. अगर आप मैंने कितने stunts में वहाँ पे हार जाती थी because मैं देख के बोलती थी नहीं
ये नहीं होगा मुझसे.
हालांकि जब मैं करने जाती थी मैं कर सकती थी. मैं eliminate हो गई उस stunt में. मैं अरे यार रिद्धि
तो
थोड़ा
कर देते,
पेशेंस रखती
Right.
तो तू
थोड़ा
lock
सोच
खोल
लेते.
सकती. नहीं बट वो फेयर ना. नहीं रात को 12 बज रहे हैं 1 degree they're going to throw us in water. नहीं होगा रिद्धि I'm tired.
वो पहले से वो सबको होता है.
You know.
That you're not the only one. Even the toughest contestants go through that for the first 30 seconds before the.
True.
Yeah.
And I remember there was, like there were a lot of girls who were very who at least looked like they were physically fit in my season.
What a
Yeah, they weren't typical.
biatch.
I was the only girl corrupt in my season. So clearly मैंने सबको 1 2 का 4 कर दिया था. So मेरे जो जिम के कोच थे वो कहा करते थे मैम सोचो देखो वो भी आ रही है वो आपसे आगे निकल जाएगी. तो मैं ऐसे ट्रेडमिल पे और जोर से भागती थी. बट जब मैं वहाँ पहुंची ना I realized ये सब आधा टाइम टीवी पे रोके ही निकाला है उन्होंने. मैंने चुपचाप यस 2 आंसू भी बहाए, पर मैंने अपने आप को मेंटली प्रिपेयर किया और मैंने उस गाने स्टार्ट किए और बहुत नाम कमाया. और आप सबके
और कहाँ तक पहुँचे थे तुम?
I was the runner-up. Was this?
Oh, you went. Oh, wow.
Second runner-up, yes.
Not bad, yeah. That's that. In fact, मेरे साथ उल्टा हुआ था. जाने से पहले मुझे लगा था कि ये लोग मैं सबका यही थॉट था कि रोहित सर को फेस वैल्यू के लिए ले जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं 50 साल का हूँ, बाकी सारे 23 साल के थे, 24 साल के थे. सबसे बड़ा आई थिंक वो.
But I would say age is just a number.
It's just a number. That I proved ना when I went there.
Yes, yes.
उसके बाद जब इन्होंने मुझे कोई स्टंट करते टाइम डर नहीं लगा. बोला कोई क्या करना है, कीड़े डालने हैं डाल लूंगा, गाड़ी चलानी है, कुदानी है, लाइन स्टंट करना है. सो मेरा रिवर्स हुआ. जाने से पहले मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस था कि यार क्योंकि आई डोंट नो हाउ टू फ्लोट इन द ओशन. आई कैन स्विम बट आई कांट फ्लोट. आई पैनिक सेट्स इन एंड आई गो इन. I just trained for that 7 days before I went, and my first stunt was only falling in mid-ocean. So, and I realized, this is my takeaway from Khatron Ke Khiladi. At the moment I fell down, there was zero panic. I just came up, I swam towards the boat, and my fear for 50 years I've lived with fear. It's gone. One show. Everybody who asked me, sir, you would not tell us to go na to Khatron Ke Khiladi. Last night I was telling somebody, so if they call you, just go.
Just go.
This is the most amazing experience.
I mean, there's so much respect in my own eyes for myself.
Yeah.
I love to watch.
I agree that. Yeah. And to be there, you know, it looks terrifying on screen. There it's even more terrifying because we don't do rehearsals.
Yes.
Okay, this is the stunt that guy will come in to speak to in Australian English, which half our people didn't understand, that you have to translate it for them. And then you have to just go. But fantastic. Mona,
I say, 3, 2, 1, they say.
khatam. Phad jaunga. Yeah.
Like you have to go now. That's it. You don't have much time.
Mona, we have to also talk about nutrition, and since currently you look the fittest amongst 4 of us. You're the sexiest, yeah. Acha, suddenly Rose is sir. No, so for me, you're currently the fittest. Well, she has a supermodel body. Okay, let me say you're the amongst 4 of us, you have the supermodel body.
Okay, thank you so much.
Nutrition plays a huge part in that.
Yeah.
And Ridhima has taken away my thought process. मैं किसके बारे में सोच रहा था, अब क्या सोच रहा हूँ. Okay, coming back. Nutrition plays a huge part in anybody's fitness aesthetic makeup.
Yeah.
Right? What is your nutrition mantra coupled with your fitness plan?
So मेरा बहुत simple है. Okay, like.
Oh, I'm so happy you said
Very
that.
simple. लोगों को लगता है कि like I might be doing this, that, diet. ऐसा नहीं. I eat everything.
Okay.
But मेरा ये है कि मुझे मीठा पसंद नहीं है.
नहीं है. You are so lucky, यार. क्या यार? क्या वो पता मेरे को क्या यार? I can't do it like
मुझे
that.
तीखा पसंद है, इसलिए मैं मीठा खाती नहीं. And then I eat everything, but I work out a lot. Like कुछ भी ना हो, like week में 3-4 बार तो मैं gym जाती हूँ.
And you don't you shy away from eating anything?
I love to eat. I'm a food lover.
And you still look like that?
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, sorry, let me say that. And you still look like that?
Especially when I'm working out, उस time पर मैं ज़्यादा like healthy food खाती हूँ. I eat everything. कभी-कभी मुझे कुछ खाने का मन किया तो वो भी खा लेती हूँ. Healthy खाने का मन.
What is your cheat meal like?
Cheat meal like.
क्या लगता है मजा आता है खाने का?
मुझे-
तीखा लगता है तो क्या सेव पूरी?
नहीं, मुझे दही पूरी पानी पूरी बहुत पसंद है.
बहुत पसंद है.
हाँ. And obviously McDonald's, KFC.
I love the way you're making an effort to talk in Hindi. Amazing. On this show you can talk in English also.
हाँ, हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं. मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
What are your thoughts on nutrition? Rhythm, I'll ask you later. Don't worry. You're looking sexy. What are your thoughts on nutrition?
Okay, my thought on nutrition is.
Okay, this episode is going like. Oof. I hope I'm asking the right questions.
Yes, you are.
Because nutrition, you know why I keep coming back to nutrition to all my guests is that, and this line I've said it in every episode podcast of mine, there's shitload of information and most of it is shit when it comes to nutrition on the social media.
Yes.
Anybody who says something, Google karta ho na, they don't realize Google is maximum viewed answers will come up first as your answer. So what are your thoughts on general nutrition and well-being?
Okay, for me, it's like, as everyone know, it's like 70% of your diet and 30% of your workout.
Okay.
Now, when it comes to diet, people make it very complicated.
Yeah.
कि, oh my God, diet करना है, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा? But for me, it's like you just have to eat right thing at the right time. That is
Right thing at the right time.
right time. That is very much important. Like I would never stop someone to like that आपको केक खाने का मन है, आपको मीठा खाने का मन है. I would not say कि नहीं आपको खाना ही नहीं है. Don't torture your body. Don't torture yourself. If you want to have
वो जीना ही क्या जिसमें रसमलाई ना हो.
Exactly. If you want to have rasmalai, have it in the morning.
I had.
The first thing
In the morning?
Morning. Because then you have a full day where you can
To burn it out. Do you know in UP, this is recently I heard, sorry to cut you, that the most popular breakfast is hot jalebi inside
Yes.
milk with a little bit of saffron in it.
Yes.
Because you get sugar, super boost, and then in the day you burn it out.
Yes. And then
Chala, fixed.
कल से मीठा ब्रेकफास्ट है. सो मॉर्निंग में आप मीठा खा सकते हो. आपके पास पूरा दिन है उस कैलोरी को बर्न करने के लिए. नाउ व्हेन इट कम्स टू कार्ब्स, प्रोटीन, फैट. सो व्हाई डू वी पीपल नीड कार्ब्स? इट्स एक्ट लाइक अ
Energy.
फ्यूल टू योर कार एज हाउ. बट अब आपको रात को तो एनर्जी नहीं चाहिए सोने के लिए,
Right.
राइट? सो आपको रात में कार्ब्स खाने ही क्यों है?
Right.
मत खाओ.
मैंने हमारे पिछले एपिसोड में इसी डिस्कशन पे बात की. हमारे एक न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट आई थी और उनसे मैंने यही सवाल पूछा, तो उनका जवाब थोड़ा सा अलग था, क्योंकि मैंने भी ये सुना है सब जगह यही बोलते हैं कि रात को कार्ब्स मत खाओ. शी सेड इट्स अ मिथ, इट्स नॉट अबाउट नॉट ईटिंग कार्ब्स, इट्स दैट यू डोंट नीड इट. खाओगे
Yes.
नहीं खाओगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि नहीं खाओगे तो फैट विल स्टार्ट बर्निंग.
Yes.
But you don't need it. Logically, you don't need
Logically,
it.
you don't need
तो you use that carb in the beginning of the day.
Beginning of
लेकिन
the day.
परसेंटेज उतना ही रखो.
यस, उतना ही परसेंटेज रखो. रात को आपको कुछ एनर्जी की जरूरत नहीं, सोने के लिए आपको एनर्जी नहीं
नहीं
चाहिए.
चाहिए.
एंड द बैड पार्ट इज अगर आप लेट डिनर करते हैं एंड इफ यू हैव टू मच ऑफ कार्ब्स देन योर बॉडी विल नॉट गो इन द रेस्ट मोड.
Oh,
वो
really?
आपकी बॉडी में व्हेन यू स्लीप, व्हेन यू हैव लेट डिनर विद लॉट्स ऑफ कार्ब्स इन इट, व्हेन यू स्लीप योर बॉडी विल वर्क. Your body starts
Oh,
working.
see now that makes sense, right?
Now it will start working and you won't sleep properly. Now
Okay.
what will happen if you don't sleep properly?
Then your recovery
then
is
the
not
next
good.
day is gone.
So what is the ideal dinner for someone?
I feel you don't have to have much. And ideal dinner time, I would say 7.
No, ideal dinner. क्या खाना चाहिए?
You can have protein if you're a vegetarian. You can have a bit of paneer and you can have a salad. And if you don't want to have that heavy also, I just don't mind saying a bowl of protein soup.
That's it.
That's
That's
it.
enough you don't need that kind
You
of
don't
thing.
need that kind of
Great
heavy
thought.
meal to your body.
See, now why I call people like you all is that you make it very easy to understand for a layman कि भैया ये खाना है. Now if we start talking about food groups and pyramid and all that, lot of people, lay people
Yes,
don't understand
they
it.
won't understand. And you should always keep it very simple and easy. Let people understand that.
And coming to you, Ridhima, I know you've been waiting.
I have to tell you now my diet plan.
How do you look so sexy all the time? I mean, क्या खाती क्या है यार? How much of nutrition is important in your life to look aesthetically the way you do? And then we all know that you have to be slightly thinner because screen पे 10% बढ़ जाता है. Television पे तो और भी थोड़ा सा हो जाता है. What is your mantras when it comes to nutrition?
You know, for the longest time, I didn't know anything about fitness, nutrition.
You're a naturally sexy woman.
I mean, I was
Oh my God. Oh.
honestly, I was very skinny, and that is not healthy. So I realized that at some point that I'm just looking skinny. There is no muscle or there's no real health that's shining through. I just have one funda. I eat every 2 hours. I do portion control.
Yeah.
And a lot of people might not agree with it. काफी लोग intermittent fasting करते हैं जिनके लिए काम करता है
It
बहुत
works for me.
अच्छा.
But अब मैंने आज change कर दिया है because you're the second person who's talking about eating this every 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
I'm going to be
Like a lot of people say, no, your system has to rest. There are some acids that come to play every time you're feeding. I am okay. My acids are fine. Let them have a gala time. I'm going to eat every 2 hours.
It's also a personal thing, right?
Yeah.
Whatever
and that
suits you.
keeps me less cranky. Literally, when I'm hungry, I've burnt like relationships and bridges. Like बहुत गुस्सा आता है मुझे अगर मैं खाती नहीं हूँ तो.
See, it's what time is it? It's almost 4:45. I've not had a single meal till now. I'm absolutely
Yeah, like and you know.
absolutely fine. My energy is superb. I've had 2 coffees and a protein water.
That's what you know, like अब मैं बोलूँगी काफी सारी जो है वो diet fads भी है. People do OMAD, which is like 1 meal a day. That for me is a fad. I can't imagine you're eating for 2 people at one.
No, let me stop you there. OMAD is not a fad. The word OMAD is a fad. The word, the coination, but through centuries and generations, our saints and Mahamudis
Yeah, they practice it.
They used to eat only 1 meal a day, and that sunset से पहले खाते थे और फिर
Yes.
खाते नहीं थे. But there's a very well-renowned businessman in the world who's a practitioner of OMAD.
Yeah.
And he's 65. If you see his picture, he looks like 35. Now, but this again is for, it's all individual. It works for him. The very dear friend of mine, Anand Pandit,
Yeah.
the producer, he's on OMAD for the longest. He just doesn't call it OMAD. But he eats one meal a day. In the morning, he'll have some nuts, and then the evening at about 4:35, he has dinner, and that's it. And if you see him, his energy, his personality, he's also 60. He looks 35.
What happens? Body works.
So every body, depends how much fuel you need, what kind of food you eat.
Yes.
It kind of gets used to it
Yeah,
as well.
but I'm going to be trying this eating 2.5 hours
really like a
small
small
meals. Thoda portion. Yeah.
Or
Because
more
I think
of
that
veggies,
works.
Veggies.
राशि, पास्ट की बात कर ली, फ्यूचर की बात करते हैं इससे पहले कि आपको जाने दें. What are your thoughts on as you move along in terms of yoga? Do you want to diversify? Because there's lots happening in the world of yoga. How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Actually, I have many plans going on in my mind.
Ah.
So I am very soon going to launch my product also in the market, and I am planning to open a studio as well. So
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
A yoga
so-
studio?
a yoga
or a
studio.
wellness studio?
a wellness studio.
Okay.
Proper wellness studio.
everything.
So yes, everything is there. So I want to guide that way only. I want meditation, I want pranayama, I want yoga asana, everything together.
Okay.
So that's why I'm going to make that thing in future. So I am really planning to do, because I want to help more and more people. I want people to get into fitness.
Yes.
And fitness as in like internally I wanted more. Nowadays people mostly work on the outer body
Aesthetics.
shape. Yeah, and I want them to be fit internally.
The yoga is a must. for it,
Yes.
Absolutely.
So I
Muna,
just
you have
wanna do
also
that.
plans for your future. Obviously, you're very young in the industry right now. How do you see yourself? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? And what are you going to be doing for it?
Obviously, I want to do acting. I want to be an actor. So I see my.
Anything other than acting also that interests you, something which is maybe a hobby which you want to pursue?
I want to do business too. Business as in like not proper business, but I want to create my own fragrance brand.
Oh, nice, interesting. And you'll put your face on it, तो ऐसे ही बिक जाएगा.
So हाँ, वो भी मेरा planning
You
है.
have a name in mind for your fragrance? Not
I
yet.
can't share.
Oh, she's a good businesswoman. She's holding her cards close to her heart. And so all the best for that as well. Sounds good.
My main goal is acting.
Yeah, acting. And then you want to do this as well.
Like होता है ना कि yes, I want
ये
to create
करना है.
my something.
Now, like all the actors eventually get into some sort of beauty.
So fragrance is something I really love.
Excellent. Ridhima, you've achieved a lot and I'm proud of that. What do you see yourself doing in 5 years? Do you have only plans to continue acting or there's something else which is on your mind to broaden your horizons and your portfolio?
Honestly, there are times, I feel like I wish I had learned something along with acting, another skill set.
Yeah.
But I don't have it.
No problem. एक और चीज कॉमन है हम दोनों के बीच.
I accept it. And
Yeah, it's fine as
I
long as
love
you.
it. Fashion किसे कहते हैं रोहित? जब तक एक चीज के बारे में अंधाधुंध तरीके से आप उसे फॉलो नहीं कर रहे, फिर उसमें
Absolutely.
फेलियर्स ही क्यों ना हो,
Yeah.
even if it's ridden with question marks and everything, I still want to pursue it with my all. And that's what has got me this far. I think I am my own project. I'm just going to focus on me for the next how many
How
years?
many other years it takes?
It
Yeah,
takes,
and you can always better yourself and keep bettering yourself. And I also have a take on this. When people ask, when I give my TED talks and lectures, there's usually people talk about, all teachers and principals used to tell us about plan B. Arey, you need something to fall back upon. In fact, I tell everybody, just have a plan A and give you 100% to that plan. Because if you are starting life with a plan B, that means you are hoping to fail in plan A, correct?
Exactly.
So the same thing, whether it's your passion, even if you have to do something which you think is, very shaky, our profession is like that all the time. We don't know what's tomorrow.
Exactly.
But still, no plan B. Work on plan
go
A.
for it.
Just go for it. And go for it. That brings me to the last segment of the show. And we'll start with you. We will start with you because you're the sexiest. Does that make ठीक है अनु बोल दे
Safe. सबको
इसको क्या सुपर मॉडल बोल दिया ये जानबूझ के लाख हो
Oh
गई.
no, she's lovely, Mona. Mona is lovely.
Okay, so we have this segment which is obviously for the benefit of all those people who in life sometimes have either hit a plateau or faced a mountain and they don't know, oh God, अब क्या करें? What is your keep going mantra? What is it that you keep telling yourself or keep looking at or studying to say कि नहीं, रिधिमा रुकना तो नहीं है. Pick yourself, fight for another day.
मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ गिरते तो सब हैं पर कितना जल्दी आप उठ पाते हो speaks a lot about your strength. एंड ये बोलना आसान है, जब हम उसमें नेक डीप होते हैं तो उसमें से जब कोई रास्ता नहीं दिखता, बट यू हैव टू हैव दैट फेथ इन यू. अगर आप अपने आप पर वो फेथ और बिलीफ नहीं रखेंगे, देयर इज नोबडी एल्स हु इज गोइंग टू शो इट. यू हैव टू expect a little more out of you, and trust me, there's
Yeah, the
someone out
universe
there
helps
you're
you.
going to follow the way through. It's going to happen.
So that's your mantra. Okay, keep persistence.
Perseverance. Just keep at it.
Keep. Mona, what is your keep going mantra?
सो मेरा यही है कि जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव, बिलीव योर सेल्फ. क्योंकि लाइक हम जितना पॉजिटिव होते हैं उतना ही पॉजिटिविटी रेडिएट करते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी आर लाइक वेरी पॉजिटिव, आई थिंक वी कैन अट्रैक्ट ऑल गुड थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ. सो पॉजिटिव रहना चाहिए, काइंड रहना चाहिए, हैव अ गुड इंटेंशन टुवर्ड्स योर विजन, and love everybody, support everybody. Just be happy person, that's all.
Are you planning to go to Miss Universe anytime?
No, this is what I feel.
No, but are you
honestly.
planning to go? No. You'll win. No, that's a very sweet thought and
To
very
be mentally strong.
in today's day and date, I think this thought is very important. I would use the word empathy here. What you said also kind of translates into empathy for people. Just love people here. They ladai jhagda karke
Because
koi fayda nahi.
negativity will put you down. It'll make you feel heavy. So it's better.
It makes you only toxic,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Rashi, what's your? I mean, you've gone through a lot, like you shared with us. What is your keep going mantra?
I would say, I would little elaborate it. I would want to say that your body is your property.
Right.
The property you have come with in this world, and you'll go with. When you go, you're going to go with your this property only. So I would say just praise this, just heal it from inside and outside, and nothing can stop you to reach anything. Then you'll be an unstoppable person. If you're fit within and in physically, mentally, nothing can stop you. So just wellness, health is very important. Just take care of it, and every dream you can achieve, and then nobody can stop you.
Unbelievable. This is the perfect end to this episode. I'm so happy and grateful that all of you graced this wonderful room with me. And it was a really good, insightful chat. Very different, yet very similar, all of you. And you guys, please keep watching us for this kind of inspiring stories, because anybody who's come and shared their stories have had their fair share of struggles. We continue to have our struggles. It looks from the outside that we actors have a great life, but we also have equal amount of trials and tribulations, if not more. But the only way to keep going is to be unstoppable like these three lovely ladies. I'll see you in our next episode with different actors, different yoga gurus, different nutritionists, different people from all walks of life. The only thing common will be they will all be unstoppable. Take care. Lots of love. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Fabulous. Thank you. Ashi, pleasure, yaar.